Welcome back. This is an Aleks homework video on finding isoelectronic atoms. We did isoprotonic before. Isoprotonic is the same number of protons, which means it's the same element each time. This is isoelectronic, which means I'm going to have the same number of electrons. Problem here is that I can have different atoms with the same number of electrons because I can steal or not steal, or steal more or steal less. So I could have lots of possible right answers here. I'm not sure what they're asking for exactly, but we can make some good guesses. All right, so the first one that I see is if I have 18 electrons and I haven't stolen any at all, I just have a neutral atom, I just go to the periodic table and I look for element number 18. Okay, element 18 is argon. Okay, that's a good pirate element, argon. So argon is one possibility. It has 18 electrons and there's no charge up here. This is a neutral atom. So a neutral argon would have 18 electrons. If I stole one, if I stole one and ended up with more electrons than protons, I would want to look one less. So instead of 18, I'd want to look at 17. So 17 protons, and then I stole one more, then it would be one more than 17, so I would have 18. But I'm going to look to the left of argon. The left of argon is chlorine, so chlorine is Cl. But if that's no longer a neutral atom, that's an ion. I've stolen one, so I would have a -1 charge there. So that is a chloride ion. It's an anion. It's named with an IDE ending. Okay, so that's -1. If I steal more than one, I have to keep going to the left of chlorine. So the left of chlorine is sulfur. Okay, the left of chlorine is sulfur. So to be 2 away, I'm only going to have 16 protons. Well, I need 2 more electrons if I'm going to have 18 electrons. That means I'm going to have to have stolen 2 because I only had 16 electrons to start with. So this would be 2 minus. And so here's 3 possibilities for atoms with 18 electrons. Here would be a neutral atom. This is an anion where I have a positive or -1 charge anion, and here is a -2 charge anion. So I think that could help you. I hope it does.